In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate A/B email testing with workflows in Hubspot. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to enhance your email marketing strategies. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and have your email templates ready to go. Let's get started. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. Here, you'll find a wide array of tools designed to help you manage your business effectively. Locate the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and this will take you to the login page. Enter your credentials, sign in, and you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard where the magic happens. Now that you're in HubSpot, navigate to the Marketing tab. This is found on the main navigation bar, and it's your gateway to numerous marketing features that HubSpot has to offer. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Email. This is where all your email templates are stored and managed. Within the email section, you'll notice a list of your existing email campaigns. Our next move is to clone an email. Find the email you want to use as a base for your A/B testing and hover over it. You'll see a clone option appear. Click on Clone, which will create a duplicate of your current email. This is essential because it allows you to make variations between the two emails without affecting the original one. After cloning, it's time to set this email as automated. Locate the automated option and click on it. By setting your email as automated, you'll be able to configure it within workflows, ultimately allowing more control over when and how your emails are sent. Once your email is cloned and set as automated, hover again over this new email and select Clone one more time. You might be wondering why we're cloning again. This step is vital for creating the second version of your A/B test. HubSpot requires two distinct emails to conduct these tests effectively. Finally, it's time to create your A/B test. Look for the Create A/B Test button, usually located somewhere along the top options, and click on it. You'll be prompted to name your test and configure the settings for this test. While setting up, consider what variables you want to change, such as the subject line, body text, or images, to see what resonates best with your audience. Once set, you can activate your A/B test within the workflows to automate sending. These steps effectively enable you to automate A/B testing in HubSpot, optimizing your emails for improved engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.